Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to install games on Steam in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to open our Steam application of software. And here guys, we have a search section here. You can search whatever free application that you wanted to install with. So for me guys, there's an easy way here. Just click this categories and click free to play, for us not be able to like spend some money. Okay, so we can categorize here guys. So there's a lot of games here that we can install for free. So let's say for me, I'm using actually a MacBook right now, so I'm gonna choose this game War Thunder. So just have to click that one, War Thunder. So after that guys, you just have to play game. Click that one, play game. Okay, play game. And after that guys, you just have to click install. Okay, just have to click that one, install. And after that guys, it is now actually installing on your. Okay, let's check out. Okay, right here at the below. Okay, we can check now that this is now installing on our Steam application. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Okay, thank you.